Y golwr John Danby gymryd y gecrydd. Wild arbeniad ymlaen tuag at Declan Poole. O, mae'n syrthio'r llawr o dan bwysa gan Marriott a Hudson. Wel, dim diddordeb gan y dyfarnwr yma. Andy Morrison fel y gwelwch chi'n gandryll. Mae'n bosib bod Poole wedi mynd i'r llawr bach yn hwyr. Marriott. Brobl. O neb yn ei gael lawr. Brobl am ergydio. Dros y bar. A mae John Danby yn flin a deud y lleia gyda'i amddiffynwyr. Neb yn cael brobl i lawr ac o 20 llath dros y bar. Spender, Holland, hir ac yn uchel, cael ei chlirio gan Pearson. Y meddiant dal gan y Seintiau eb. I Jamie Mullen, o chwarae'r outlet i fawr outlet! I gefn y rhwyd! Munud cyn yr egwyl! Mae'r Seintiau newydd ar y blaen, wel doedd i fawr o symudiad digon bler. Ond o'na ddim cam sefyll, penderfyniad cywir gan y Llimanwr. Seintiau ar y blaen. Cic rydd i'r tîm cartra. Phillips yn ei chyfryd i sydyn i Bacare. Wild! O! A dyna chi! Amddiffyn gan Saunders. Oedd hi ar y linell. Dwi'n siŵr bod Michael Wild yn meddwl bod oedd i sgorio yn erbyn y hen glwb. O, amddiffyn gwych. Jake Phillips i gymryd y tafliad. Mae'n un hir. Edwards yn chlirio hig yn bellar a James Owen. Horan! Wel, arbediad gan Paul Harrison ydy hi dros y linell. Wel, na, di meddar Llimanwr. Connah yn dair i boti, ond arbediad gan Harrison. Phillips i gymryd y dafliad hir. Wild. O, dyna chi arbediad gan Paul Harrison. Sut gyrraeddodd o hwnna? Y bel yn bwngsian o'i flaen o. Peniad Wild oedd hi'n codi'n uwch na neb. A'r capten Harrison yn cadw'i dîm ar y blaen. Tafliad hir arall fydd i gan Phillips. Bel yn cael ei chlirio cyn bellar a James Owen. Groesiad nôl i fewn. Ac oedd hi ar y bar ac allan am gic gol. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn mynd tuag at Paul Harrison. Mae rai bod wedi deud rhywbeth. O, mae'r cerdyn coch allan. Ac mae Paul Harrison yn cael ei yrru oddi ar y cae gyda dim ond 2 funud ar ôl. Ac Harrison yn amlwg ddim yn hapus ar ôl cael ei daro gan Andrew Owens.
It's a tough game, it always is, yeah. And they're a well-drilled side. You know, they're effective at what they do. They're well organised. They've got some decent players, and it's always a test here. And we've played here 3 times now this season, and fortunately we've stood up to the test, the challenge, and come out victors today. So I'm really pleased.
Yeah, disappointing to lose the game. I thought there was nothing in it. You know, it was probably if you'd left with a draw, it would have been a fair result. No team, I think, deserved to lose the game. But you know, we've got done with one. Really, their real chance in the game, and they've gone in and been clinical, and they've punished us. They stood up to the onslaught in the second half. Things just, you know, don't seem to be dropping for us at the minute. You know, we've had cleared off the line, you know, on 2 occasions, and you know, countless half chances. But you know, at the moment, the rub of the luck's not going our way.
First of all, I thought it was John Rightledge, and then I saw Paul Harrison walking off and didn't know what happened. He's obviously said something, so I spoke to the ref and he said he had said something, and that's why he got the red card.
Declan's got goal side and away from him, and you know, he's been taken out by 2 players. You know, until I see it from your side, but from what I've seen already, it's a penalty. Listen, I'm not going to go on and get about penalties. You know, Scorio highlighted last week against Bangor the most blatant penalty that you'll see all season. Scorio highlighted it, it wasn't given, and I'm hugely disappointed again that we're not getting decisions.